What's up, everybody? C here from EC Collecting. Got a quick mail delivery, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Got wild there for a second. Nice little pack job they got here. Stuff it in the box. Got a Falconer Predator from Hiya Toys. Been waiting for this one for a very long time. Very cool. So awesome. Came with the classic Predator skull. And then here's Falconer. So happy. Very excited about this one. One of my favorites. Well, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.